Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPCAD and EURCAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments, as both of these CAD pair currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture starting with GBPCAD. Now if you look at the bigger picture on GBPCAD, this is the monthly candle on GBPCAD. We have seen that the price has reached this monthly resistance zone, and this is the last week of the month. As we see that the price has rejected from this important monthly resistance, we can expect now GBPCAD to come down further. Though it is a long-term bullish market, we have seen a strong rejection from the resistance. I think that GBPCAD with this movement could continue to drop. As we see, there is a monthly candle closing, and we could see that the candle is closing below this level as a doji, and then we can expect further continuation to the downside on the monthly. Now looking at the weekly, we see that previous week GBP had close to this long bearish engulf. Now this weekly candle has closed past by this previous weekly bullish candle, and as it is a bearish candle, we can expect now another strong bearish candle at least to come back to this weekly 20 EMA, which is an important area of value. So there is a probability for further drop on GBP CAD. Now, if we look at the daily, we can see that there is with this daily candle, this is a liquidity candle, very strong rejection, followed by quite a few days of drop. Now, last day of trading week, we saw a green candle. Now, this candle is just a pullback and liquidity grab. As a result, we saw that today, after breaking this high, we saw immediate rejection from the resistance zone on GBP CAD. Now, with that rejection, we can expect this market to continue to drop, as we see that there are two back-to-back, two daily dojis, and this is a high liquidity zone, and highly likely that this market will finally come back to this level, or even breaking this low to gather liquidity. So monthly, weekly, and daily showing potential downside on GBP CAD. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that there is a 20 EMA retest, and as we have entered a sell trade from this zone, and which is still running in profit. And as you can see, this candle closed as a long bearish candle. Currently this current session's candle also, after testing little bit to the upside, the price is rejecting, means that we can expect further downside on GBP CAD. Now as we like to add position in a winning trade, if we see that GBP CAD giving us another opportunity on the lower time frame for another short trade, we will consider going short on GBP CAD with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if we look at Euro CAD in the same way, we can see that both of these instruments potentially bearish, but looks like that Euro CAD is a bit strongly bearish than GBP CAD. Now we see that according to our TF strategy, along this zone we have seen a potentially bearish price action. And as you can see, before the news announcement in the live session also we discussed there is a bearish opportunity, and also we have secured a profit in that trade on EuroCAD. Now let's see where we can find the next opportunity. Now this is the intraday price action. From higher time frame perspective, the price action is almost similar as GBP CAD. Now this current session, the previous session's candle closed on EuroCAD, crossing this resistance zone, and as you can see, the price grabbed liquidity from that level and closed as a full body red, and the buyers are not getting enough strength in that market. So that means that we can expect further downside on EuroCAD. Now, if you look at this level here on this support, I think that EuroCAD may continue to drop further in the similar way. If we look at further lower time frame on the 1 hour chart, you can see the price is forming a narrower doji. So as soon as we will see further rejection on EuroCAD, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. So you could see in the first move here, even we could see EuroCAD is coming back to this previous neckline. So you will have a TP1 and TP2 along this zone according to the rules of our strategies. Thank you for watching and leave a comment below. Let me know how you are trading EURCAD and GBPCAD. What's your setup? Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.